Today we have a couple of Easter crafts for you that anyone can do. They're very easy. First, we've got a cardboard cutout, and second, we've got a primitive rabbit on wood. So let's get started. We're going to start with the wood primitive rabbit. And for this, I just went down to the basement and grabbed a piece of wood. Doesn't really matter what kind it is. I sanded it, cleaned it up a little bit, and painted this bunny shape on it. See, that was easy enough. And second, I highlighted little areas on it like the tail and the arms and the ears and the eyes. Gave it a coat of polyurethane, and it's all done. See, that was easy, wasn't it? And that was quick, and it was about as quick as it took me to describe how to do this. So we're finished with that one. We'll move on to the next one. This one's a cardboard cutout. You like cardboard cutouts, you buy them in the store, but you can make your own. We drew a little rabbit on this one, and we started cutting him out, and that's always the hardest part. You get a razor blade knife, cut out the cardboard, and it takes a little time, but as you can see, we freed him from his cardboard entrapment. There's the bunny shape. All we have to do now is paint it. And there we are. I gave him a coat of brown paint, shaded his arms a little bit, and his tail and his feet, another eye and a nose, and he's almost finished. We had to spatter him. I like spattering with my paintbrush because it brings out detail. And he's all done. He's just waiting for a place to go. Oh, we got to dress him up a little bit. So I put a little ribbon on him. Put a ribbon around his neck, tied it into a bow, and as you can see in just a few seconds, this rabbit is finished and on display. There he is. Little cardboard cutout rabbit that you would have paid something for in a store, but he cost me nothing but time. And he was pretty quick. There he is again. I hope you try these for Easter, and as always, please subscribe for more. Don't forget to hit that red subscribe button. It's up to the right.